up, everybody? You know what it is. Nandifa Bramangenge, Mr. Reaction. So before before the reason I say I saw is because it was a on DJ video, this weekend video. It's because of the song I was singing. You know, sometimes it was your manga during the Farimbo Nichko comes in because it's nostalgic. Like I don't know mina zote. But the motivation of so I was listening to this other song by Apostle MS Mateula and Matevana, sorry. And then I was laughing because this song is like so I'm laughing because of that. Like I don't think winning I expect on Rimbo. And let me play the song, maybe the phrase of the thing of Black speaker. I'm just gonna use my phone, right? My Ultra S25. Like, so guys, look, I don't lie to you guys, right? I'm a person, I'm going to these days going about the motivation to make like the videos the YouTube. Like I don't have motivation at all. Like at Zulinda underscore foreign with videos the YouTube, but today I was like listening to this one, like so for me it was like, no man, I need to make a video to go to a on my YouTube or whatever and everything. But yeah, man, we're here. So this show Namkara is one of those shows I've been thinking about them for a long, right? Or is it necessary for me to do these shows? But I think it's necessary, you know, because when you do this kind of songs, you sort of like remember like in the I give ideas of on Nwanga and what I think about other situations. So my problem, I think, in focus during the week, but I feel like I can just treat it as a podcast to now what comes in the Ngamba about what I think about some artists, what I think about this, what I think about that. And also, guys, if you namishonga as a guy as AIDS or checker, but yeah, man, that's what I was saying, right? So, but I think this show is gonna be necessary. We're gonna build it up bit by bit, week by week. I mean, that's I mean, like we have Asa Tee dropping another not dropping, but we're having a show in a stadium, you know, that's big. Nanyumbone and Nwana vhathu what comes your you know, again because but they cancel because of corporate issues, then it's out again. I mean, as well. So I feel like it's necessary, but I feel like it's not doesn't to find a material or the theme for that show, because too much fingers to your dinner you focus much on what I mean and then forget, or you can speak about Zakari and then you can bring it back, because as a person comes in the country whatever music don't know about Vanji hapa ndirani vamwe interview, so I can also speak about those stories, and I think it can help us go to something about, because I believe there are some people out there when it comes when you does a video, when you does the interviews who can do it better than us. So I feel like sometimes talking about my experiences though too, sir. But today I'm not here to talk about experience. I feel like the first thing I want to talk about, I was on my TikTok scrolling, right? And then the video, and then this video hit me hard, man. I don't lie. The way that TikTok of it hit me hard because it showed me how talented Percy is. Kongona, like you want to talent here, Percy, or this guy Percy Mukwevho, people post how talented he is. I think like I'm not talented. I think we all know that, but this is the video, man. This is the video. Maybe the pangapa, but this is what he was doing, right? What he was singing about. Oh, from one. And if you're gonna watch this video, you can just see this guy looks like he's fat. Like Ogotomo could say, oh, but man, the melody, man. The melody, bruh. The pocket this guy can go through, right? They're very amazing. Bro, I think you get the idea. This guy is very talented, bro. Like, Manga P-Post is very talented. I came across this video, I was like, no, man, Mara, why is this guy not up there? I know that the cheeky, the matan, the matan, the mini. Kalino Shango. I remember those songs. And I think to go dance wakakati, but yeah. Ordinary Man. Ordinary Man. If you remember that song, Ordinary Man, I know that he once hit those height. Achimbana Msawawa. I can't remember that boy. But yeah, man, I know Obiashika again. But for me, it was like, now he's matured. He's not maturity, he's older. This guy knows many things, right? He knows about music in and out right now. But why is he still here? Because I feel like Percy, the way he is, often and I feel like he should be one of those guys over storage Vendai, Richamba Makazera. I'm not saying like he should have won the Grammy. I mean, I'm just like, I'm gonna word like the legends. Like we speak about his father as a legend, rightfully so. But you sit down and think, no man, he should have been up there. Often I call Betu Mukwevho aka stage nature Peter Tosho culture, when Peter Tosho can be called to South Africa at that perform hadara. Often call Betu Mukwevho apetuna welcomes actually Ziwa Jamaica and I've just stadium with the pap. Kongwana. So I feel like, so I don't know why, like what is it about I don't know if it's culture thing, because it's not language thing, because makazi oshika and go never hone ngongwana with the language barrier or we none ezo when on the Grammy whatever usina, you know what I'm saying, right? So what is it? I bet sometimes when I do sorry, what is it ngamuta, because the whole family is kind of like fucking gifted but now mara there's no one and what comes in this one Opfuma is a millionaire muzika. Colbert, we know the story, but I don't know much about it, so I don't want to get into that. But what I'm saying is, if I feel like he should have been in a higher level than where he is right now, because now he's in a lower level. What's going to feel like legend, but legend and Papa something to hold on. So I feel like he should have been up there, like in a way now, whichever was the Majak and the serious in an international level. Na Colberto Mukwevho our honem romoni about Kongana. I know that people knows him. I remember that day I was watching this other live, small, and he played some songs from him, from Dr. Colbert Mukwevho, to show that he's known and he makes great music. But why because I feel like it should have been higher than where he is right now, and everything. So we don't know, maybe it's a curse or something, I don't know, or something, because from his father is very great, man. There's this song I love, where it's a honey, sorry. There's this song where it's a honey, like his father was great on that song. And Colbert Mukwevho, which shows, Colbert Mukwevho, and then that upbringing oipana his knowledge here away. I want to Percy, but still na Percy na Percy. I don't know if he have kids. I don't know. Maybe he does. But if he have kids, Percy, I'm sure I know those pass down to his children. But nobody is gonna be like a lineage. But this family often will legacy or they're up because they're not Nepo babies. These guys are not Nepo babies. As is Nepo babies. And the what comes to Tangamanda, like they are high. On Nepo baby doesn't know what comes to Utopia. Ushimsa did not come to Dinala Kotsia or Udwana. But when it comes to Colbert Mukwevho and these kids are not Nepo babies. They are good, right? And there's a chance, Nwana wa Percy, if he have kids, if he already have kids or whatever, I don't know. But like I said, but if Nwana wa Percy there's a chance then I have that talent. And then if you go back kakotsia called Percy Mukwevho, zoya called Percy Mukwevho, zoya called Percy Mukwevho, zoya Percy. I'm sure Percy was passed down to his sons or daughters or whatever. But at the end of the day, I feel like it should have been legacy now. These people should have been making money now. Come see Michael Jackson have right now that legacy now. So I wonder why. Like I ask myself, ungabo kuitia mini, watu wangabo kuimwa pandanga mini, ungabo zimini zinoza kwa kondela. Let me search that song of Honey Honey. I'm sure I can find it. Like it's one of those I think the song was out by 1983. Yakosa Colbert. I'm gonna play that song and then we're just gonna talk about something else, because this issue what do you panda, what do I mean, because this family is very amazing. They are very, very gifted and everything, but still so strong as panda. So I just wish one of the, if it's not pre-post, one of in the family who are gonna break through about the song I'm looking for. Yeah. Honey, honey, honey. Hey. Guys, this song, man, like Hanan by the thrilling artist Inyako Rangwa Pananga Kotia, like, bro. No man, I only so yeah man, on a lighter note when I'm gonna the song Elena, what comes in the, let me search the song. Yobuya, Nwana vhathu, Tingalanga mbirianga wana. Elaya King Cruise and a jet player. It's out. And you voice go. The song is out again. What comes your Chinchiwa. Chinchiwa the beat, because last time when I the copyright, you can go and check the hardcore. When I the copyright, but then the song is out again. And also just to say, I've not listened to it yet. To Ifa, the first of the match on the business on the zone, and that's gonna go the kakisa. So I'm gonna listen to it tomorrow, because no for beat you big because there were some melodies that comes as a from other songs. So because of the wave, but the jangai, and also little the music. Sorry, little the music will get a challenge. Is dropping a challenge in the Finyani is like a hip hop version, because if you check Lutro the music, we have this taken of the Finyani in a 3-step way. Of which I forgot the guy's name, right? On Ektakaguzalo. So yeah, he went on and dropped like he did a snippet or something. Kushumisa BTI, hip hop or drill or whatever you call it, and then with an open challenge. Just go and join the challenge when I'm gonna. Let's make the challenge viral, because I feel like Lutro is one of those guys what deserve or at the one would agree again. Like he deserves to be up there. He deserves to like I feel like he's very, very talented, man. You can just go and check the song out. I think by the end of the video I'm gonna try freestyling on that challenge, and let's see if I can kill it. I'm gonna give some of you flow a challenge. You're gonna use it. I feel like that can work now. But yeah, man, let's just go and check out the song and everything. So don't forget to Asa Tee is having a VVM Chifudanani Stadium, his first stadium show. So I feel like you guys need to support the boy, man. Just go and support the boy. Go and make sure that you show him support, because with a show like that's very, very difficult. So I just feel like you guys need to go and support the boy. Go and support Asa Tee and I'm gonna be there. I think in the 30th of June or 20 June, 30 June. I think I don't know the flare, but Zoro does not do Kuamba. So I just think tickets go to my country and then 200 so please go and support. I'm also gonna get a ticket, unless if I invite you, I feel that kind of thing for free, but for now I'm gonna get a ticket. Yeah, man. So if you want me to continue with this kind of issue, and also before I forget, There's a boy by the name of Peace the Boy. Peace the Boy. Let me check it. Peace the Boy. So Peace the Boy of this first vendor took one up. Of this first vendor AI album yotopelelaho. If you remember about Fizzy Buncha an AI song, The Good I Young, so mfana ngobvisa album yothini yabo comes yokuto ya vendor una kuto rwa piano yopelelaho mana nyimbo njinga manda 20 something. I was like hey. So it's like a song, you know, what comes in this nimbo nizabozasuka woma 20 kongwana, so 23 or something if I remember correctly. So obviously that album for AI, you can just go and check it out, man. Peace the Boy, it's everywhere. You can find it on Spotify everywhere. And then the football manga, Mr. Operation. If you want this show to continue, let me know. Oh, I don't promise a freestyle here, but let me go to that challenge. Throw the music. I hope we don't fall. Yeah. Hey, the man gang. Yeah. Bananda danu finya zobukum ni finye bana bananda. Eu fazia conta ali te sorte ndiko tenda imwala ndiko tenda tomonda zo mungwala, then I will rap no ngwala because as a freestyle so zasho zabo not kid na bane bazo